The Mechanical Engineering Technology program is a traditional mechanical engineering technology program. We pride ourselves as being new and early adopters of technology, so we've been doing advanced manufacturing technology specifically for decades, including robotics, CNC equipment, and we've been doing additive manufacturing since it was called rapid prototyping back in about 1995. We bought our first machine. My name is Tim Muench. I'm the program head for the Mechanical and CAD/CAM Engineering Technology programs at Sask Polytech. So the value of this type of equipment to students obviously is learning new technology. So when they go into industry, they actually know what the equipment can do, but then they also know how to design for additive, which is a skill that's an acquired skill. It's hard to do just from a textbook. It's an excellent opportunity for the students. With us having the equipment here and specifically being able to do a number of different metals, the result of that is we have students that we graduate that are capable in new technologies, and so they can actually take those immediately and be productive in industry with knowledge that it might take a company 6 months or a year to acquire on their own. The most rewarding part of my job, I would say, is just seeing the students at the end of 2 years working, making parts, making mistakes, learning from their mistakes, and then going out into industry as a functioning technologist is very rewarding.